I'm proud, strong, joyful, confident. Little did she know she had the strength and heart of a lion. She loved to read, ride her tricycle, and play in the garden. She is excited, confident, and innocent. She is a hard worker, but is ornery and silly. She is as carefree and enthusiastic about her life. This woman is human and with flaws, but beautifully made to be here. She is confident and fearless, excited about endless possibilities. She knows what she loves, embraces the fierce lioness within, and isn't afraid for her to be on parade for the world to see.